It's not recording. Why? I clicked twice that time. Okay, anyway. Yeah, so what I was telling you, I kept here one breakpoint. See, this is the function, right? This is the function, and this is called definition of the function. This is called definition. Whenever you write a function, we need to have two things. One is the definition of the function, another is the calling of a function. These are the two different compulsory component of a function. One
Sir, I have
will be,
a question for you, sir.
wait. One will be the definition of the function. Another is calling, calling a statement. You can say calling a statement.
Sir, can you go back to the Jupyter notebook? I have to show you something.
Oh, okay, tell me.
Sir, can you go to the infinite test printing thing?
This one here.
No, it was printing test infinitely, right? Without stopping. No, not this one, sir. Like you just did like a function and you were calling the function in the function.
Oh, here it will also do that. I'll just do this. Done. It will also do the same.
Well, you have to call in the function too. Call in the function.
Oh,
Yeah.
I need to do it again.
Yeah.
Then what is your doubt?
Recursion.
No, do the end is equal to in the print function.
This one?
Yes, sir, that one. No, no, scroll, go down, scroll in the thing. Wait, no, go up a little bit, go up. Wait, no, sir, not like this. Go a little bit more up. When you were doing the testing, what was happening is like a lot of text was printing, and then there was little bit space, and then it was printing.
Here it is. See,
Yeah, why is it like that?
I don't know.
What?
There would be something. That is the feature. That might be the feature of this notebook. Forget about that. This is more important to it. So did you understand? Call component of a function. Whenever you define, when you want to have some function, you should have at least two things. One is the definition of the function. This is the definition of the function, which we do through def keyword. Okay. And then we need to call that function somewhere in the main body. This is called main body. Okay. If you whatever you write something that's called main function. If I remove this is called we can call this is the part body of the main function. By default, a function Python or any language will define something that is called main function. And this will be something like this. If you save here, recursion.py means internally it will be like recursion dot main is a main function. It will have automatically. Another function I have created recursion dot addition. And due to that reason only, see when I want to import, if I'll import this Python code in other code, like if I'll write something like this, import recursion, okay, then I can use that one like that. Some other Python code I can use like this. So that becomes, you can say this python.py, this can be used as a package. But forget about that one also. Just we need to understand this is part of the main function, this is the other function, okay? And you can see this how. I'll run this one, F5, Python debugger, Python file, okay? And how it is run in debug, Python debugger. Yes, okay. See here. What are the things you have here? You let us see here. This is what I wanted to show you. See, these things are defined by default whenever you create a see name main. So a special variable. This main is the name of the main function. Under underscore. When if you print, there is way to print. If you print the name here, you can print here. Which function you are calling in that if you want to know, then that you can do this. If you write like this,
Sir,
let me try. See. If same thing, if you write like this, it will tell you which function you are in. Suppose that I'll create one more function here. So it will tell you the current function name, this statement.
So like the underscore is the key.
No, there are predefined variable is there that will have that will store
Okay, so
until
name.
you
Okay.
suppose I print. See, it will tell you what it is telling. Here is the name. It should print. Okay, no, I'm not calling addition. I called. If I'll print here. So this is right now we are in the main function. Then addition is called. Then here it will print Randeep and then addition. Then here it will print test and someone. Let's see. Someone is not called here. That's why. Still is not just it printing the. Wait, let me. There would be some other way to do that. Check that one. Addition. Yeah. Addition name. There should be a way to do that. Name is the main. That's correct. Addition is another function, right? What we have here. Yes. See it. In this addition function, we have like code, class, built-in annotation, hash, module, reduce. There would be some way to do see addition name. Addition it should give. Module is main. Name is the. Then we have to see how it is. It will give addition dot main. I may have to write it seems something like that. I have to write to get that one because you can see here name is also there. Name is addition. So how can we get that? Dun, dun, dun. Let me Google a bit. How to print a function name in Python. So it will show you my function dot name. That is what addition dot name it will give like this. Someone. See, now you'll get this. Okay. So by default, if you print a name, this is the main function. This is the part of main function. This one is the addition function. Like we are inside the addition function. This is we are inside the sum function. So that's why when you write like this, it will tell you. So first time we need to call that. Any function you are defining, we need to call that function somewhere in the main. If you don't write any diff, this became the main function actually. You see here, if you want to run this one I wanted to show you actually. If you look at later on, if you want to print file, you'll get this one. If you print loader, it will this. Like this, you can check multiple things are there. Each function will have something directory, dictionary, code, get. See, all these things are there. Multiple variables it defines. They are the part of the Python actually. So
So
just
many predefined variables.
yeah, see here how it is working. Let's see. Let's see the values of the variable here. We can see. See, first time this 10 came, right? Now this time this it will become 10 minus 1, this 9. So see 9. It came 9, right? It printed Randeep. See, this is 8. Then again it will print 7. See, it like this, it will print you 10 times. Done. Let us do once again. Run and debug. So variable, local variable. Then sorry. But anyway, we have count here, right? Let's see. I have kept here, right? See how it control goes. First time I call from here to here it came. Then checking. Actually, it's not showing from head to head, it's just directly from head to head, jumping. And it's showing here also where we are. Pause on a step, call a stack. Done. It is also showing how it is doing module 16.1, 12.1, 12.1, 10.1. I don't know. This is the call a stack, something is there. Internally, it might be keeping some track of this function calling. That's why it is happening. Done. Did you get Janya better?
Yes,
No,
sir.
or you are getting more confused after seeing so many things.
A little bit, it's better now, actually.
Yeah, then great.
This is getting a little bit overwhelming, but it's fine.
Yeah.
Yeah. You have to spend some time on this. I guess you spend some time on this
So is
body.
recursion used for in like CCC?
No, it's not. It's just I was telling you to learn. That's all.
I think it's just better to practice CCC questions now.
Yes. No,
Yeah,
this
this
is
is
just.
Jania was asking, so I don't want to kill her curiosity. So I explained you so many things while answering a question.
Yeah.
Okay.
Sir, are there anything else necessary for like CCC now, or is that it?
No, this is good enough. Even function was not compulsory, but I covered that too. I have some
Are we
fun.
like done with all the stuff we need for CCC?
Yes, we are
You sure, sir?
100%, 110%.
He
If
basically covered everything, mostly, that we need to know.
Ah, sorry.
No, you covered everything that we need to know.
Yes. So after this, let's connect Tuesday. See, this guy is very greedy. Man, how can